Hi, it's a very good do for all of you. Today I am bringing you a unboxing video. So it's about a K35 Lavalier microphone. So this microphone is very good for you to do your YouTube or any other video voice recordings. So there are very good reviews in YouTube for this particular microphone. So this is a K35 wireless lavalier microphone. So this is about in Sri Lankan rupees 3,500 rupees. So there are dual microphone as well as single microphone. So which I bought is a dual microphone. So this is the box that you can see it like this, and it says K35 Pro wireless lavalier microphone, and it has some Chinese letters as well. So I think it's a very good microphone for this particular price. So on this microphone you will get a standard TRRS type jack, which is a 3.5mm headphone jack. You can plug this to any of the standard devices and use it very freely. This is a common type of jack available on most of the smartphones and laptops. As you can see, this is because of this standard headphone jack. You can plug this device for any of the mostly available devices like digital camcorders, tablets, DSLR cameras, and lot of recording devices as well. On side of the box you will find a picture like this. So it says it is given the USB-C type interface to charge your device. So it says you can use this for the live source, and on this side it's showing a availability of dual mic and a single mic. So this particular one I am using a dual mic setup. If you purchase the dual mic, it will be very convenient to record the interview kind of thing, and it's very useful on that particular scenario. Now we'll look at the back side of the box. So it also says K35 Pro microphone, and also it says it's plug and play, and it can be used for 20 meters of the distance. Option will be 20 meters. And also it has a precise kind of radio, clear voice and high sensitivity audio, and widely accessible support is as well. This microphone is having automatic noise cancellation feature as well. That is very useful feature for recording purposes. Now let's open the box and see what is inside. Wow, this is what you get inside the box. There are two microphones and one receiving device. Now let's take them out and see. So there are two microphones, and this is the receiving device, and there are some packing. So now this is some paperwork for a user manual. So this is the paperwork you get. So it has some introduction section in English, and other side it has some Chinese characters. So what I'm interested in is English is manual. So it has introduction section and the diagram section for description of all the parts. So it has numbering as well, and it has how to use section. So about UI UX. So those are the different features of transmitter and the receiving device. Different functions of those devices. How to switch on, how to switch off. That kind of stuff is available on this section. So here you will have a list down of what are the packing list. So those are the things you will get on this manual. So there's a small box here. So inside this box you will get a USB-C type charging cable, which you need to charge all these devices using a battery backup power adapter. You can plug this into power bank or and connect this into your laptop, and you can use the USB-C port to charge these two microphones as well as the receiving device. You can connect it like this, so it's nicely connected, very easy to connect, and same port will connect to receiving device as well. You can plug it there. You can connect the other into your power bank. We'll remove these stickers now. After remove these stickers, it has a little bit of premium look. Touch and feel is nice. Remove the stickers of the microphone to the microphone as well. So on the microphone you will get a windscreen like this. So it is very useful to do a recording in outdoors, because when there's a wind blowing, so it will cut down the wind noise by using this windshield pop-up device. So to connect it like this. So this is the collar attachment. You can't turn it, it's just fixed like that. There's a movable. You can remove it like this, and you can change the angle and you can connect it like this. To left to right and right to left, you can use it like this. Second mic also similar. So let's connect the power bank to the of the mic's charging port and see. So once you connect it, it will show a charging indicator like this in a red color LED. So LED will be displayed like this. Once it fully charged, this LED will be switched off. So receiving unit also we can plug in your charger like this. So it's showing the charging indicator as red. So it will go off once it's fully charged. So this is the power button. You have to keep it on, keep it pressed while to make it on. So once you make on, the LED will go blink like this. So that means it's in pairing mode. So you need to switch on the receiving as well. Once the receiver is on, it is automatically get paired. Now it's in green color. So that means once on this mode, it is paired. Both the devices are paired. So let's switch on other mic device as well. So once you switch it on, so that also get paired automatically. All these devices are paired with the receiver. So you can double click this button. So that means it will go the noise cancellation mode. As you can see, when you double click it, the LED will blink once, and that means the noise cancellation mode is active. So that's how you get see these devices. So we'll bring another video how this device works and pros and cons of it, and the sound quality we can bring it on another video. So that's all for today's video. We'll meet again. Please subscribe to our channel now. Let's meet in our next video with all of you. Thank you.